Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lower Cadillac Escalade full guide. Start by checking local laws and measuring current ride height front and rear with a tape measure. Gather basic tools, jack stands, spring compressors, and a torque wrench. Inspect brake lines, sway bars, and wheel alignment specs before proceeding. Safety and accurate measurements prevent costly errors and ensure your lowered Escalade remains safe and drivable on public roads. Compare common lowering methods to pick the right path for your goals. Coil springs are straightforward and stable, while air suspension retains adjustability if reprogrammed correctly. Lowering blocks or shackles can adjust rear height without major disassembly, but may change suspension geometry. Consider aftermarket shocks tuned for lowered setups to maintain ride quality. Choose parts rated for your vehicle weight and intended use to avoid premature wear and safety issues. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to tidy up metal shavings and garage dust while you work. I love its hands-free convenience and smart mapping when projects get messy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear installation sequence to minimize surprises and keep things reversible. Lift one corner at a time, support with stands, and remove the wheel for access. Replace worn mounts and bushings while working to avoid returning shortly for repairs. Use proper torque values for fasteners and double check brake and ABS sensor wiring clearance. After reassembly, test drive gently and recheck fasteners, then schedule a professional alignment for safe handling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.